she's doing?
Yeah. I mean, he'd seen my face. I mean, yeah, definitely. I think if Anonymous had seen that sweet, sweet smile, then it made him feel better. But yeah, good luck. We wish you well. Please get in touch and let us know what happened. It was good to know.
Would you like one more? Because he's just got little ones that go over his shoes.
Where's he going?